lawsuit that has just been filed this afternoon at approximately uh, between 3 and 4 o'clock this afternoon uh, at the Supreme Court by Philip Berg. A lot of you are familiar with Mr. Berg, who filed initially a case against Barack Obama and the DNC, uh, claiming that he was not eligible to run for President of the United States. Now, we all know that whoever was watching the following the court case, that Judge Barkley Surrick of the federal court last week um, uh, did denied the or dismissed the case, stating that that Philip Berg had no standing. So what Mr. Berg has done has he's rewritten the case, and he is providing here some very important arguments to the fact that he does actually have standing. I believe quite a few. He's saying here Marbury versus Madsen, and another one here where Akins, where he believes that he does in fact have Akins as far, have standing, and a claim for possible injury, be if it were to happen that Barack Obama were elected. So you can read about this, especially any of you who happen to be uh, uh, lawyers or law students, and it may be coming to a constitutional crisis. Of course, this all has to do with what many of us have been following here, is that Barack Obama has, of course, written in his memoirs that he went to Indonesia and that he went to school in Indonesia. And according to the laws of Indonesia at that time, it was necessary. It was necessary to be a citizen, of Indonesia in order to attend public schools. And there is, in fact, a document that is available that is available through Associated Press, showing that, in fact, that Barack Obama's name was Barry Soetoro, that his nationality was Indonesian. So, according to the Constitution, of course, only a natural-born citizen can run for the President of the United States, and anyone who may have been a dual citizen, okay, in the case of his going to Indonesia, he would have lost his Indonesian citizenship, his American citizenship, and he would have forfeited it. And when he returned to Hawaii when he was 10, then he would have had to been considered a naturalized citizen. So in that case, he would not actually be eligible to run for President of the United States. Unfortunately, the DNC has not thoroughly vetted his candidacy, and the media has not vetted his candidacy, and so Mr. Berg and other citizens have been trying to obtain his birth certificate. There are now, as a matter of fact, 9 different suits in the United States um, to questioning his eligibility and asking for Barack Obama to show his birth certificate. The only birth certificate that he's shown is something called a COLB, or a Certificate of Live Birth, which has been debunked actually and shown to have been a forgery. Even though this organization called Fact Check has also said that it was not a forgery. The fact remains that Fact Check is connected with Chicago Annenberg Foundation, and of course Barack Obama and Bill Ayers were both on the board. So there's obviously we can't trust Fact Check. What we need to have Mr. Obama do is very simply produce a vault certificate. Okay, so anyways, this is I will give you some links on the side here, and you can read over the details on this site here, americasright.com. Okay, and I will be speaking to you again. Thanks for listening.